Daliana here from Moments of Adventure, and this time we're on our way to Salem, Massachusetts, home of the Salem witch trials.
Now, it's right before Halloween. It's a week before Halloween, so everybody says, ooh, 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 it might be very spooky cool. What a better place to be in October than Salem, Massachusetts. We just got done with a bus ride. We parked at the high school because there's supposed to be like over 1 million people here. The bus ride was kind of nice. Easy parking, easy drop off. So we were headed towards Essex Street. See what kind of trouble we can get into.
Super crowded, you guys. It's October, so everybody and their dog is in Salem. It's so crowded. It's so crowded that there are lines to get in the stores just to look around.
Yeah, I believe that's for, I looked later on. I think it's occupancy for fire.
I'm sure that's what it is. Yeah. I thought it was theft prevention.
Oh, that could
fire
be too.
Could be the thing.
Yeah, I'm not going to wait in line to go into a trinket store.
Yeah. I just want to look for cool stuff.
There are a lot of people here. So many people that the stores, like, doesn't matter, magic store, clothing store, a witching store. There's lines going out the door and like half a block down. It's crazy.
I don't want to wait in line to go shopping.
Yeah. But it's very beautiful walking around. It's very neat. But Salem has definitely capitalized on the witch stuff. Very, I don't want to use the word commercialized, but very commercialized. So, there's a few historic things. We'll see if we can find those out. All right, off to the witch trial memorial. So this is a memorial of the people that were killed during the trials. So many people were executed for being a witch. Now, come on, I know it was the 1600s, but
I think it's kind of cool that they honor those people who were killed.
It looks like all of them were hung. During the day, just crazy amount of people. I think someone said there was over 1 million visitors in a day, which is just crazy.
It's cool, huh?
Yes.
Even a line to take
Let's
a
go to the
picture
Black
with the
Hat
statue.
Curiosity Shop.
Let's do it.
So Leanna's looking for a witch hat.
I'm looking for a specific witch hat.
She wants
I haven't seen one that has called to me yet. So I've got to wait.
She wants the queen of all witch hats.
Oh, I just want the perfect one. If I'm going to spend money on it, it should be good. The witch house
It's not the original house.
It's not the original house. They knocked it down and built a new replica of the witch house.
Yeah.
So when you think it's like, oh, this is authentic, this is awesome, it's not really. It's the Disney of Salem.
Yeah.
Still cool.
Ropes Mansion.
Yeah, I believe this is the one that was in Hocus Pocus, the girl's house. I think.
So this is going into the Ropes Mansion garden.
Welcome everyone.
Wow. That's a lot of landscaping.
Look how pretty.
It is. There's a snowball.
It's not a snowball. I think it's a dahlia.
Look at that. Fruit tart. What is this?
Cream puff.
A cream puff. And right out here, watching the people of Salem.
Yeah, okay. So we just left Salem. I'm very glad that we came. It was very cool. We'll be coming back here in a few days for a Haunted Salem tour. However, I will say, I think I would like to come when it's not October, when it's just normal Salem.
I'd like to see the authentic Salem.
Yeah, because this was it was like I explained to Dale earlier, like I did a correlation between Sturgis when the motorcycles rally is going on and Sturgis on a normal day.
Yeah.
Like it's not the same town.
No.
So you get to see different sides. So I think I would like to see just the town of Salem.
Yeah.
How it is.
There's a lot of people on Essex Street. I mean, there's
a lot of people.
A lot of pop-up stores, which, you know, you can, it's fun, it's a good time, but you can tell they're bringing stuff in on the trucks for, 50 cents and selling it for 20.
Reminds me of like a Spirit Halloween store that's only there during Halloween so you can go get your costumes. Feels like that.
Yeah. But great people watching.
Really good
people are bringing out their costumes and walking around. I'm curious how it's going to be this week at night when we do our tour. We'll get some pictures for you guys because I have a feeling it's going to be pretty crazy.
Well, we'll see how we feel after another night in Salem on Thursday.
Yeah, true. All right, Salem, I do recommend it. Recommend it not in October though, unless you love that festival thing. It's your typical festival type atmosphere.
We're in Salem, Massachusetts again.
On the way to a ghost tour.
So far, there are fewer people here than when we were here on Sunday, so that's
And parking
good.
is only costing me 25 cents. That's
Yay.
a win.
That is a win.
That means we can have steak tonight.
Sweet!
First, we need food. Going to the Derby. Check out these cocktails.
Comfy clothes and murder shows sangria. You lookin' frankin' fine. Espresso martini. You put the boo in booty. Pumpkin martini.
I see dead people.
They're all gonna laugh at you, Martini. What's in that? It's got gin.
What's the Ithaca Copita Malacca Mystica? Mystica.
The hippopotamus. Bob it like it's hot.
Oh my goodness. The hippopotamus is 45 bucks.
Must be good.
Dang.
Ithaca
Oh, they're like-
Copita
they're like
Malacca
big treats.
Are
Mystica.
they shareable?
Oh.
These are fun to read. All work and no play. This wild turkey, fig puree, lemon juice, maple syrup, fall spices, ginger beer, and molasses is simple. I think you would like it.
Sounds good.
Dante's Inferno, which I thought would have, what's the hot stuff? Fireball? Doesn't. Jose Cuervo, Devil's
God.
Reserve, Grand Gala, Kiwi, Citrus, Sugar Rim. This one is spicy.
Sounds horrible.
Okay, no, I'm not having Dante's Inferno.
Jose Cuervo will give you a headache.
Well, I don't want that.
Some nachos.
Here you go. See, you wouldn't want a tibia?
All right, what we got, kids?
I got the harvest salad with salmon.
Fish. Madison got some Nashville hot chicken. Looking good. I went for the little plate of wings to go with the nachos. So we just left the Derby. Good drinks.
Delicious.
So we are on our way to the ghost
Too far
tour.
away from me. Okay.
Let's go find some ghosties in Salem.
Spooky.
is, of course, it's Allison's house from the Hocus. The most well-known ghost story tied to this cemetery is called The Laughing Children.
Not so much in the ghosts, but the history. And with the ghosts, they have to tell a history of, who they are, what they did, and that's very interesting.
I think it's cool.
And Salem, once again, I'm not a history buff, but Salem was a rockin' town back in the 1600s. I mean, it was a seaport.
A rockin' town back in the 1600s.
You had, it was a wild town.
Well, there were pirates. So everybody knows about the witches in Salem and the hysteria that happened with there and the innocent people were hung. But there were pirates in Salem. It was a massive trading port.
Yeah, huge trading port. And with that becomes a lot of bars, a lot of drinking, a lot of partying. Prostitution. I mean,
Stuff went down in Salem besides the witches.
Yes, absolutely. Night, it was a little bit more fun, a little bit fewer people. You could park.
It was during the
downtown.
week, too.
Yeah, during the week as well. Absolutely.
So here's my suggestion if you're going to Salem, because it's a very cool place. I would not go, and I know it's cool to go during Halloween because of the witch trials and all that jazz. I would not go in October again. It's insane the amount of people that are there, and it's like a festival-like atmosphere. But I want to see the town, so
I want to see the more authentic Salem.
Yeah. So I would not go in October again. It's cool to do it once. We've marked it off the list. But if I were to go again, I would go literally any other month other than October.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel.
See you on YouTube.
Thanks for watching.